Hey guys, welcome to Split. Today we are unboxing the Zhiyun, was it Zhiyun or Zhiyun? We're gonna go with Zhiyun Smooth 4. It's a smartphone stabilizer, so like a handheld gimbal if you need it, especially if you want to get professional smooth shots. This is the kind of stuff you want to do it with. I think DJI does this pretty much ahead of the game in this stuff, but if you want something cheaper and maybe performs just as good based on the reviews I've seen, you may want to consider this box. So let's just jump right in and see what's in it. Neat box and all. I like the disclaimer here that says phone not included in package. In case you think you're gonna get a phone when you buy this for, you know, I don't know who thinks that, but that's what it is. Let's cut this open. There's a seal right here. So let's pop through that. And that's it. So in the box, you got this, which I'm guessing is reading material. Quick start guide, notice on Android compatibility. Issue, there's an issue, really? No. Okay, so it basically tells you what type, what version of Android supports, which is 5.0 or later, and gives you a list of devices all the way across the S8 and below, I guess. But I guess this probably fit most of everything you have. It's a service card, this guy, for when you break it. That's that. Stuff that somewhere. And then there's the box. It's styrofoam, I guess. Pop this open. Ooh, I feel like a hitman about to assemble a sniper rifle. And there it is. Looks pretty good, pretty premium. Okay, so there are two major parts. There is the handheld gimbal itself and the tripod stand, which comes with it, right? And typically with this stuff, what I'd advise you do once you take it out of the box is just attach it. Attach it, attach it, attach it. So you don't lose it. I get it gets a bit longer, but it's here when you need it. It gives you two-hand grip option. And when you need setup, you don't have to go looking for this part. So it's there, it's there. What else is in the box? It has a USB-C charger. Interesting. So at least it's modern. It will run with most smartphones you have these days. And that's all. And this stuff you should not eat in any case, never. And that's really it. And here it is. This is what it looks like. This is what the Zhiyun, or the Zhiyun 4 looks like completely unboxed. Quick overview of what the different parts are. I quickly attached this, like I said, so you don't lose it, so that when you want to set up a tripod shot, you just stretch it out. Bam, good to go, right? Your phone slides in here with these super strong grips that adjusts upwards and downwards, and you can lock it in so your phone doesn't fly away, and it won't fall, don't worry. These things are really strong, not going anywhere. Here's the menu button for the app. When you download it, it helps you select what kind of shots you're shooting. This display brings up if you have a grid on the screen or lines, as it were. This is the recording button. This is this takes a picture, of course. This is the selector and also acts like a zoom wheel, depending on what you set it as. It also flips if you hit any of the cardinal points. This can flip the camera, and this is the, what's it called? Yeah, I don't remember. This helps you play what you just recorded. Down here is the power button, right? If you hit this button, is there any power? Just took it out of the box. Ooh, power. So these 4 bars represent how much power you have. Each one's a quarter of the battery. Of course, right now there's only 75% out of the box, which isn't bad. Over here is the pull focus, or you can also use it as a zoom button, as a zoom wheel. The pull focus helps you adjust what's blurry. So if you want the foreground to be sharp and so on, kind of like what you get when you're deciding what you want to shoot in a movie. So you determine your focus point and then you pull it to that point. Not bad. I like the mechanism of the Zhiyun 4 because this here is in lock mode right now. So even though it's on, it's not consuming any power until I get it out of that mode. Once you take it out, it comes to life, see? Right now, see, it's awake, it's vibrating. So the motors are working, trying to keep that steady shot. And that's cool because when you go back into this mode, it goes to sleep. Saves you a lot of power, which is cool. There's a USB-C port here that lets you charge this up. This will last about 12 hours, according to the box anyway. But it has lasted, I've never really timed it, but I will check. And there's another USB micro port here that lets you, in case you want to connect to the phone directly here instead of going all the way here, that way there's no wire crossing when you're swinging that camera around. Less prone to an accident, if you ask me. And in a nutshell, that's really it. There's 2 buttons back here, I forget. I think one allows you to do a flip when you're recording. So when you move your hand, it does a smooth flip. And the other one does a center focus, I believe. But that's for the review video, which I'll share later. So if you're considering buying one of these, again, versus the DJI, which is known to be one of the best ones, but this will save you maybe 60 to 50 bucks because this comes in at 90 bucks right now. Probably go cheaper during Black Friday and maybe as the year runs out. They work just as well. Lots of reviews online. So you can check them for yourself. Kind of put these in the top 3, top 4. So you don't have to spend that much money to get that good quality of motion, if you will. And that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.